Hey guys, I'm doing a quick long-term review of these headsets. These are the cheap ones that you guys can get from Amazon or eBay. They will range in price from around, you can get them as low as $6, $5 until $10. Really depends where you guys get it from and depends on the seller really and what special you guys can get these at. Anyways, tell you what happened with these. So they will last from 3 to 6 months, and that's for all of them really. So if you take a look at this one, you guys will see it on eBay a lot actually, this design. And yes, they're pretty comfortable, they're okay. Sound wise, as long as you guys bump it up all the way up in your Xbox settings, then this does just fine. As for this brand, everything does feel okay for the price especially. And again, it only works from 3 to 6 months. Really, the only reason all these guys have broke is because the cable. As you guys know, you will pull on the cable by accident, or you might step on your controller, or you might do something, whatever you guys do, but this cable, you will end up pulling on it, and that's when this doesn't work correctly anymore. So it's not the slightest pull that will break it, but let's say my controller just fell for some reason, this got unhooked, that little pull on it will actually stop making it work. So are these worth it? I would say not, at least not wired ones. Maybe I would try the wireless ones. That's my next test to see what's the cheapest ones that I can get on eBay and Amazon and how long they will last. So like I said again, these guys only lasted 3 to 6 months, and that's the most I could get out of them because the cable's the issue here. Everything else, the build quality, this has lasted. It's pretty spongy. It's been pretty comfortable. No complaints there. Sound quality is alright. It's not something comparable to a $200, $300 headset, but I could hear the footsteps just fine in games. That's the most important thing once you guys are playing first shooter games like Fortnite, for example. This, you guys could hear footsteps and all that stuff, but the sound does not compare to, you know, those $200-$300 headsets. And again, if I was to buy something wired again, I actually wouldn't. I would just buy something wireless. That way there's no pulling on the cable and then having them screw up because of that. Anyways, that would be it, my review for this. Would I recommend them? No, don't waste your money on them. Just spend a little bit more money. Again, these range from anywhere from $5 to $10, $13. Really depends where you guys are getting them from. If you're getting them straight from China, they might cost you those $5. If you guys are getting straight from the US, then they will cost you probably those $13. But even then, no matter where you guys are getting these guys from, they're not worth it, not really. So just spend a little bit more money. I suggest getting wireless. Yes, wireless uses Bluetooth usually, and Bluetooth can, there's a debate of how much radiation really comes from Bluetooth, hence you getting cancer. And that's why from way before they said you shouldn't hold your phone to your head because that radiation and cancer, it's not great to get brain cancer, right? So if you guys are gonna wear wireless Bluetooth headsets, which do have a certain amount of radiation, there's that Bluetooth, well, I wouldn't wear them too much. If you're gonna game a lot, then maybe wireless wouldn't be the way to go, just to avoid those problems later on. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to get cancer by the time you're 40 just because you game a lot. So maybe do wired in that case, but get something better than this. And look at warranty. I would always look at warranty, something that has a year warranty, then go for that and skip out on the cheap ones because I've tried a few and none of them have passed those 6 months. 6 months actually stretching it quite a bit. Anyways, that would be it for this review. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.